So, guys, welcome everyone to Travel Gossips. So, we are hosting this digital travel talk session, and this is the episode one for the same. So, today we would be talking about offbeat traveling. बहुत सारी प्लेसेस ऐसे होती हैं जो पॉपुलर से काफ़ी हटकर होती हैं और वहाँ पे ट्रैवल करके वहाँ पे जो एक्सपीरियंस हमें मिलता है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग होता है, बहुत ही अलग हटके होता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अगर मैं बात करूँ कुछ डेस्टिनेशन से जो पॉपुलर हैं। सो यही एपिसोड वन का टॉपिक है कि व्हाट इज़ द एक्सपीरियंस या क्या हमें अनुभव मिलता है जब हम ट्रैवल करते हैं किसी ऑफबीट डेस्टिनेशन पे, किसी दूर दराज की जगह पे जहाँ पे हमें बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्सपीरियंस मिलता हो। So today we have Rimjim Kamboj with us. Rimjim has already traveled with us to few destinations like Jibi in Tirthan Valley and Parashar Lake situated in Mandi. So today we would be hosting this session with Rimjim, and so Rimjim, I am sending you a request, so please accept that.
Hi.
Hello. Yeah, welcome to Travel Gossips. This is our
Thank you so
episode
much.
one of this digital sessions because we cannot go on a physical platform right now. Physically, we cannot meet and do a travel meetup in any of the place right now. So we are hosting this Travel Gossips. We have started using this. And welcome to the Travel Gossips on Go for Explore.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so how was lockdown going on for you?
Real bad. I just became a chef.
Though that everybody is becoming, definitely I would like the even I am following so many stories of my friends and my travelers also. So I'm seeing from past 2 months or 2.5 months I was seeing that they were posting so many stories of food. आज मोमोज, कल छोले भटूरे, गोलगप्पे। आई थिंक जितना भी मार्केट में जंक फूड मिलता है वो हमारी घर के किचन में
सब
आ
बना
चुका
लिया है.
है। बट हम एक चीज नहीं कर पा रहे रिमझिम, जो वी एज अ ट्रैवलर वी कैन नॉट डू। वो क्या चीज है बताओ?
I am so dying to just travel back to some beautiful offbeat destination. Especially, I want to go back to Jibi.
Yeah, and coming to this only, your love for traveling to offbeat destinations. So I have personally traveled with you on trips like Parashar Lake in Mandi and Jibhi in Tirthan Valley. So how was your experience like traveling to those amazing places in Himalayas?
जो वहाँ का सुकून है, that can never be compared to a busy life in Delhi. Working in a
Yeah.
government office, I have a very chilled out
Oh.
routine. But still, I mean, I when I travel to JB, that experience is surreal, and you can, never ever think of this kind of experience while you travel to, supposingly Manali also. JB has
Exactly.
a different kind of vibe, I would say, which can never be compared to very known places like Manali, Shimla, or
True.
Mussoorie in particular.
True.
So yeah, and I have some beautiful stories to share of those places.
Yeah, I think for me also, traveling is all about collecting these, very cute, very amazing, and very thrilling stories as well. So I would like to, I think हम पहाड़ों में जब ट्रैवल करते हैं उसका एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट किस्सा होता है, एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है bonfire. So
Ah,
coming to the bonfire. So have you experienced a bonfire at these places?
yes, definitely. We had a bonfire at Jibi also, at Prashar also, and you know how musical that was.
Yeah, really amazing. So, like, I would like you to share that same experience, like talking about, let's take a case for Jibi. So, how was that night over there in the valley? You were like सभी से कट ऑफ होके, है ना, सारी शोर शराबे से जो सिटी की बैडनेस होती है उस सब से दूर हटके उस वैली में उस रात कैसा था?
That night was beautiful, yeah. especially when we met the locals there who were very welcoming, you know.
True.
They had a very they are just beautiful, you know. They are just beautiful souls over there, everybody. Let it be that kid that we met at the
Oh
homestay.
yeah, I remember him.
Kid, oh god, it's so sweet. They're so welcoming, they're so warm. When especially I have this routine of, you know, having warm water in the morning, and when I asked that
Okay.
little guy, so he was so welcoming ki hanji mein leke aata hu. He was so sweet to do that. You know, you don't expect this kind of behavior when you travel to such places, especially because you think कि यार थोड़ा कट गए हैं लोगों से, and maybe, you know, you will not be
हाँ.
welcome much.
Hmm. No, but especially when you have traveled to offbeat places, mostly in the Himachal or in the Himalayan region, and
Yeah.
people, or should I say, पहाड़ी लोग बहुत ही प्यारे होते हैं,
Yes,
like
they're
by
very
heart.
welcoming, and sorry to offend anybody, but people in the cities are not that welcoming.
True, that's true. That's true.
Not
Even I have
not
experienced
offending
while
anybody, but
traveling.
still.
Yeah, but that's the experience basically. We are talking here about the experience. So even I have faced such issues. Like अगर मैं comparison करता हूँ city का और पहाड़ों में, सिर्फ लोगों के behavior का, nature का, और I should say I believe in humanity and love. तो अगर मैं यही टॉपिक पे अगर बात करूं और सोचूं, तो पहाड़ों में लोगों का नेचर बहुत प्यारा होता है. एंड आई थिंक इन्हीं सबसे हमारा जो ट्रैवल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है वो बहुत कहते हैं ना, बहुत ही अमेजिंग बन जाता है. True.
Especially the gang that we faced at the bonfire.
Yeah. It was
They
amazing.
were, I remember they were from Sundarnagar, I believe, at the bonfire, who came up with
Yeah,
guitar and the drum.
exactly.
And the homestay that we stayed at,
So I
the
think I would
owner was
like
so welcoming.
the people over here who are just seeing this, I would like them to just feel the vibe कि एक पहाड़ों में आराम से बैठ के आग के पास कोई लोकल तुम्हें ज्वाइन करे एंड देन गिटार प्ले कर रहा हो. तो आई थिंक इससे बेहतर क्या हो सकता है. So I think
That
these are the
was one
experiences.
amazing night.
Exactly. Even I have traveled a lot when it comes to bonfire and कहते हैं ना लाइव जैमिंग करो bonfire के टाइम. अगर वो एक्सपीरियंस अगर किसी को भी मुझसे सुनना हो, तो जिबी का उस रात का एक्सपीरियंस मैं सबको बताता हूँ. आई थिंक मेरे लिए भी एज अ ट्रैवलर एंड अ पर्सन हु ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट एवरी मंथ, उसके लिए भी ये बहुत अमेजिंग था डेफिनेटली. So in
And the one
which
we
month
had at
basically?
Prashar also.
Yeah, Parashar was the bonfire was definitely needed over there. We traveled there in the month of like in December. It was winters, so that was my next question
-4.
only. Yeah, so that was my next question. Like in which month basically you traveled to GB?
We traveled back in June 2019. Yeah.
Okay. So, and what all places basically you covered over there, talking about on the experience basis, like where did you went?
Okay, so when we traveled to GB, we went to Jalori Pass, Rolsar Lake, and yeah, we missed out on the GB waterfall. Yeah.
Yeah, GB waterfall. I remember that. Okay, gotcha. So, and how was the weather over there? Like, because this is a concern question whenever people travel to a popular place. So, definitely people are much aware, or you can say कि if any situation mishap happens, so they can control. और वहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे conditions होती हैं कि हम चीज़ों से निकल सकते हैं अगर कोई भी वर्स्ट सिचुएशन हो जाती है. बट स्पेशली जब हम किसी रिमोट रीजन में ट्रैवल करते हैं या फिर ऐसे रीजन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल यू ट्रैवल टू पराशर लेक राइट ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स, एंड दैट टाइम देयर इज नो लोकल बस कमिंग ओवर देयर. वहां पे प्रॉपर जब वाटर जो होता है वो भी फ्रीज हो जाता है, तो काफी बार कुछ सिचुएशंस फेस करनी पड़ती हैं. सो how do you cope up with do you also involve weather when planning to a offbeat destination?
Definitely, weather is a major concern, especially when we travel to GB.
Yeah.
हमें इसका कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि बारिश होने वाली.
Oh, right. And you
Right.
cannot, I think we cannot predict it. This happens a lot. काफी बार गूगल वेदर शो करता है कि वहां पे बारिश नहीं
It
होने
was
वाली है.
sunny that time.
Yeah, exactly. We went to, I think, Jalori Pass the same
Yeah.
day, and by evening when we were leaving back for our home sweet home, then we faced then we faced rainfall over there. I
Okay,
think,
yeah. So let me
yeah,
describe that situation, right?
yeah.
When we
That
were
was
doing
really
the
thrilling.
trek,
Uh,
that time it was too sunny. और जब वापस आ रहे हैं तो बारिश हो गई and everybody got
hmm.
into that fuck up zone कि अरे यार पूरी ट्रिप की बैंड बज गई है.
Just because we cannot went to GB waterfall, right?
Yeah, we couldn't.
But definitely you are planning to visit Jibi again, and Jibi is a beautiful
Again,
place. Yeah,
definitely.
Jibi, Tirthan Valley, I should say. Even I have been to Tirthan Valley quite number of times, and obviously Jibi is always the one place where I stay. But there are some other places also, which I think Rimjim, you would be accompanying me in that. There is a
I
list.
hope so.
Definitely, we would be doing that. So, talking about Parashar Lake, so how was your experience, especially traveling to such a place? It's a place for both for worship, for trekking, and you travel to that place during winters, and that was harsh winters.
Yeah, that was harsh winters, and we did, got stuck when my
Yeah, yeah.
because we did not follow the instructions that you gave us.
That's really important, especially in such hard weather, that you
Yes,
have to follow all the instructions on
please,
time.
please listen to your trek leaders.
That's really important. I have seen, so when I am at home, usually I come across so many memes. Okay, regarding this only, like whenever a person or a co-traveler doesn't listen to their trip leaders or their trek leaders, and it's a meme. I definitely do share with such people, right?
Yeah, you told us to get back in time by 2 o'clock or something, and we were like, "अरे नहीं नहीं यार अपने को enjoy करने का."
Uh, but definitely, I think experience matters a lot. And so you did camping over, like you did camping at Parasha Lake.
Yeah,
So,
we
like,
did.
how was your experience, and especially meeting so many people over there, and the bonfire thing? Obviously, the bonfires are really amazing when we are doing camping. I
We
think
have
it's
crazy
rightly said.
stories.
Yeah. So it's rightly said, you don't need anything when you have camp, you have bonfire, and you have a good company.
And
Will
good
you agree
food.
with that? Good food, good food. Yeah, this
We had good
happens.
food at Jibi. Had good food at Prashar, and especially Prashar.
Yeah, Parashar is a lovely place. I think for me that place is about both about nature, about adventure, and even it's a spiritual place because
Yes.
people in Himachal consider that place a lot.
Okay, the temple that we went to, Rishi
Yeah.
Prashad temple especially,
Hmm.
that is worship there, and you need to follow few rules that the locals do. You
Hmm.
cannot just do whatever you feel like. दिल्ली वाले हैं, जो
Yeah.
मर्जी है वो कर लेंगे.
And this comes actually with the when we travel to such places, it usually happens कि जब भी हम किसी जगह जाते हैं ऐसी ऑफ बीट डेस्टिनेशंस पे, वहाँ के जो बिलीव्स होते हैं, जो लोकल मानते हैं वहाँ पे, जैसे हर जगह के रहने वाले जो लोग होते हैं वो वहाँ की जगह को बहुत ही महत्व देते हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं जब अपने बिलीव्स की बात आती है. तो हमें आई थिंक दैट ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर ट्रैवल रिस्पॉन्सिबल ट्रैवल करना. यही नहीं होता कि वहां पे हम जाएं और सिर्फ प्लास्टिक ना फेंक कर आए या कूड़ा ना फेंक कर आए. ये भी बहुत जरूरी होता है कि हम वहाँ के जो बिलीव्स होते हैं उनको भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दें, राइट?
बिल्कुल, जो लोकल स्पेशली आपको बता रहे हैं उसकी उनकी बात तो सुननी ही है. स्पेशली व्हेन वी वर ट्रैवलिंग टू सरोलसर लेक, तो जो वहाँ पे लोकल्स थे स्पेशली द आंटी, तो वो लोग हम लोग बता रहे थे कि बेटा ऐसे करना है, चप्पल यहाँ उतार देना. you know.
हाँ,
तो वो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजें जिनको रिस्पेक्ट करना इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट है हर ट्रैवलर के लिए.
एग्जैक्टली. एग्जैक्टली. And so, like coming to places, like have you also created a list? अपनी कोई एक लिस्ट बनाई है कि मैं अभी लॉकडाउन के बाद ये प्लेस थोड़ा ऐसा है, मैं यहाँ पे ट्रैवल करूंगी?
Okay, the first place that I had was Chopta Tungnath, then for sure
In
JB.
Uttarakhand. Right,
Yes,
right. So definitely,
JB
even
तो
I'm,
forever
we are
है.
having so many experiences over there because one of my friend is over there only, and so he keeps on sending me those offbeat destination lists. Na ki there is a small waterfall over there. Okay, you can visit to that mud house. So there are some amazing quiet places, and yeah, I'm planning to go over there now. Can't wait. Okay, so Rimjim, to sum up with the experiences, अगर कोई भी, अगर मे बी कोई एक फीमेल ट्रैवलर हो या मेल ट्रैवलर हो, कोई भी इन ऑफबीट डेस्टिनेशन पे अगर जाना चाहता है, क्योंकि ये लेस नोन होते हैं, जैसे हम जानते हैं द वर्ड ऑफ बीट लेस नोन होते हैं, तो इनके बारे में रिसर्च करनी बहुत जरूरी है या फिर इनके बारे में जाना बहुत जरूरी है. तो डू यू डू सच काइंड ऑफ रिसर्च, और कोई टिप्स जो आप देना चाहोगे बिफोर प्लानिंग अ ट्रिप टू दीज प्लेसेस?
Firstly, being a girl, अपनी security का सबसे पहले ध्यान रखें. Do carry a pepper spray. Do carry, do carry that,
Yeah,
because
that's
that
really
is
important.
one thing, you know, which will help you in case आप फंस जाओ. God forbid ऐसा कभी किसी के साथ भी ना हो. But still, you need to, you know, prepare yourself for everything. So I have this one thing to carry a little paper cutter with me.
That's great. That's
So, and
great. Yeah,
also when
definitely.
you go to any offbeat destination, you need to research that destination. You can, you know, just not travel like that. It's not Manali or Mussoorie or Shimla, which is very
Yeah.
well known. Okay. You need to research a bit. You need to, you know, talk out to a few people, especially who've been there already. You need to,
True.
you know, especially know the transport as well. You can just
True.
not, you know, book any bus company, or you know, you cannot do that, especially for an offbeat destination. And for a girl, यार अपनी safety अपने हाथ में होती है. Please पेपर स्प्रे गिरना, कहीं ना जाना.
That's really important. I think these all points are really important. कि like coming to stay, coming to transport, हम पहले से ही इस पे ना थोड़ा सा होमवर्क करके जाएं, और जब जगह के बारे में थोड़ा सा भी पता होता है ना, तो उसको घूमने में फिर और भी मजा आता है. Right?
You need to explore the place you're going to stay. You need to know that if you're camping and what are the rules that are to be followed. You can just not stay anywhere, especially a girl cannot.
Okay. So now I coming to an end, I would like you to answer one question only. Sum up Tirthan Valley in one word.
Surreal.
And what is Parasha Lake for you?
Another trip where I'll go. Because I did not
Okay.
have a real, you know, a very, very smooth trek, snow trek
Yeah.
especially. So I
Yeah.
need to travel back to that place.
I think so. I have traveled to both Parasha Lake. I have traveled in autumn. I have traveled in winters. Mostly, I have traveled in winters. But yeah, the landscape basically changes in each and every weather, in each and every climate. Cool. So for every for our every guest and for every speaker, we have a set of 7 questions. We would be playing rapid fire with you. Okay. So please brace yourself, and let me bring you my first question. So here I go. 2 places you want to travel ASAP after lockdown is completely over.
Chopta and Jibi, for sure.
Okay, that was already planned. Okay, so now you have to make a choice. Momos in Dharamshala or Pyaz Kachori in Jaipur?
Momos in Dharamshala.
We Delhiite are like really craving for momos.
But खाना तो कहीं भी यार. Why
खाना तो
choose?
आई थिंक, हाँ नहीं ये चूज करना है ना, यही तो टास्क है. Okay, so if you are given an opportunity to settle down in Himalayas, where would you like to live? Like live,
जिबी.
बोरी बिस्तर बांध के.
बिल्कुल, मैं बिल्कुल जिबी में रहने को रेडी हूँ.
GB is like your, I think have दिल बस चुका है वहां पे, है ना?
बहुत
दिल
ज्यादा.
छोड़ आए हो वहां पे. Okay. So traveling solo or with a known bunch of friends?
Solo.
Oh, that's a great one. So road trip to Ladakh or beach party in Goa?
Road trip to Ladakh. I love driving.
So, okay, you have planned to drive a car whenever you are planning to go Ladakh.
बिल्कुल.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. That's the best. I think that would be your one of the best experience, lifetime experience, I would say. Best place you have traveled in year 2019.
2019 GB
Yeah,
and also Prashar. Yeah.
Prasha. Oh, great. And so that's the last question. Stay in a poolside resort or go for camping?
Camping, yeah, no doubt.
Okay. So you are purely that kind of person, like like truly believes in the spirit of traveling offbeat, staying close to nature more, right?
Yes. And I'll suggest each and everybody, and I'll, just tell everybody कि please offbeat ही जाना. कोई known जगह जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
But that's I think beauty experience I think सारे जो मैं भी बिलीव करता हूँ ये होता है कि ट्रैवल करते बाद जब वो ट्रिप खत्म होता है जब वो जर्नी खत्म होती है लास्ट में सिर्फ हम ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस देखते हैं एंड वो एक्सपीरियंस आई थिंक अमेजिंग होना चाहिए
That
कूल
experience is all that counts, right?
ट्रूली ट्रूली Okay, so thank you so much, Rimjim, for coming on board for episode number 1 of Travel Gossips. And hope to see you soon, very soon, with
Yes.
me, with my community. And I want to see your stories like really soon. You're posting pictures from a mountain, you're doing some live stories, and
Definitely, I'm doing that.
we all are dying to do that, right?
Sure. And we'll meet
Cool.
before in CP, okay?
Yeah, CP, I would be definitely coming. Definitely, I would be coming one day and would be meeting you. And I definitely, yeah, I love meeting my travelers. I never call them that. Ex travelers नहीं बोलता मैं हमेशा मेरे
नहीं
travelers
यार.
रहते हैं इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ हमेशा मेरे वो फ्रेंड्स हैं वो ट्रैवलर्स हैं जो मुझे एक जर्नी के बाद मुझे जर्नी के दौरान मुझे मिलते हैं सो थैंक यू सो मच for
You're
coming on
welcome.
board for this session and hope to see you soon traveling very
Yes.
soon.
Yes, very, very soon. We are
Then
traveling
let's
back to GB again.
yeah definitely I think there are few places which are left so even I have planned in such a manner that I would be staying there and would be moving to some different places
And
then
tell
GB
me
would be the
I'll
base
travel,
for us.
I'll travel again.
Yeah, GB will remain the base for that.
बिल्कुल.
True. Staying in that homestay, in that purely local homestay over there,
Yes,
right?
yes. I am, I'm just waiting to go there.
Cool, cool, cool. We definitely travel. Let's pray. Let's hope for the best. And for right now, just stay safe and keep our family safe also.
You too.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Chalo.
bye
See
bye.
you. Okay, guys, so that was Rimjim Kamboj with us, and she shared her experience of traveling to some offbeat places in Himalayas. And I hope, yeah, like you will also be planning to travel to some lesser known destinations. I think that's really important for now, also keeping in mind the social distancing, keeping in mind less human interaction and so offbeat places and you would be definitely getting on currently on my base experience basis बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहता है बहुत ही अमेजिंग मेमोरीज जुड़ती हैं लाइफ के लिए एंड आई होप यू विल plan your trips in such a manner so see you soon with another episode of Travel Gossips.